Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if Microsoft Copilot, Copilot not working properly on your Windows 11 system. This is Microsoft newly introduced AI feature, Hey Copilot, not working if in your system. Here are the fixes, various type of workarounds, we will explain it. Open Copilot on your Windows 11 system, and here Copilot is now open. Here from the bottom left corner you will find your profile icon. Here click on profile icon and choose settings. Thereafter go to right side and here you will find the option, scroll down. From the right side, scroll down and look for the option listen for Hey Copilot to start a conversation. Turn the toggle button on of this feature. If you found it disabled mode, then enable this feature first and check whether your Hey Copilot AI feature, Microsoft AI feature in your system working or not. Various type of voice also available here. Choose other voice features also, and check whether your issue is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to your Windows settings, right click on start button and choose settings on your Windows 11 system. Here from the left side of settings, go to Windows update and click on check for updates, and if any updates available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various features not working properly, so you have installed latest Windows 11 feature. The next one is again open Copilot. Go to Microsoft Store. Here go to library or update and downloads directly. Here look for type Copilot in search field and click on check for updates, and if you found update available for Copilot, then simply click on update. Sometimes outdated apps and features not working properly, so you must update your operating system, Windows 11 as well as Microsoft Copilot. The next workaround is again go to settings, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side go to privacy and security. Thereafter go to scroll down and under app permission click on microphone and make sure that microphone access is duly enabled, and also look for Copilot and turn the toggle button on against permission. So give permission to Copilot microphone to access your voice, and accordingly your issue will definitely be resolved. So you must enable microphone for Copilot in your system. That's all.